Is there anything more satisfying than a well-organized pantry? Having your dry goods and baking essentials laid out in well-marked containers not only adds visual appeal to your kitchen. Having an organized home that looks beautiful is an added bonus, but the most important thing is for your space to function for how you and your family live your life, says Anna Butler, lead professional organizer at Unclutter Co. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 pantry storage on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Airtight food storage containers with lids. Chef's Path's airtight food storage container set will make setting up a well-organized pantry a total breeze. The collection includes a versatile range of 14 stackable containers including 2 extra tall, 2.5 quart, canisters, 4 tall, 1.8 quart, canisters, 4 medium, 1.2 quart, canisters, and 4 small, 0.7 quart, canisters, which means that whatever you need to store will have a place. Each container has a 4-hinge locking system that forms an airtight seal and is made from BPA-free plastic. When filled with water and shaken, these containers leak slightly, so we don't recommend using them to store liquids. Our reviewers found during testing that the lids were harder to fit onto the canisters after going through the dishwasher, making this set a better fit for long-term pantry storage than short-term storage, which will cause you to wash them frequently. Hand washing may also help to avoid slight warping. Number 2. Large food storage containers. The V-Topmart large food storage containers are the best pantry storage containers for someone looking for an efficient, cost-effective solution to organize larger amounts of dry goods. The set of 4 5.2-liter containers has a large capacity and stacks easily on top of one another if you have more vertical space than horizontal. According to our testers, these pantry storage containers didn't crack when filled with water and dropped on the floor, though they did leak slightly. We were also pleased to find that they didn't stain or hold on to odors during our tests, making them a very durable choice. The set even comes with markers, labels, and a scoop to help you organize your pantry. The top openings are wide enough that you'll be able to easily reach in with a measuring cup or transfer large bags of flour and sugar without making a huge mess. Number 3. Rubbermaid Brilliance Food Storage Containers. If you are going to buy one set of pantry storage containers, the Rubbermaid Brilliance Pantry Food Storage Set should be it. The stackable and versatile containers are airtight, allowing you to store cereal, sugar, pasta, and more without anything going stale. The brand offers several different container sizes and shapes to meet your pantry's needs, but we tested the 4-piece set, which comes with cup capacities ranging from 3.2 cups to 16 cups. Our reviewers found the overall design to be clean and attractive, making it easy to keep your pantry from looking cluttered while also displaying what's inside at a glance. The containers also possess helpful little features like a lip around the rim to help open the sealed container and stackable lids to make use of your pantry's vertical space. The rest of the line has sizes ranging from 1.3 to 19.9 cups, so you can find a size that fits your needs pretty easily. Number 4. OXO Good Grips 8-piece Pop Container Set. While technically you can use any plastic container for storing baking essentials, this set from OXO really shines due to a series of thoughtful features to make storing your flour, sugar, and other accoutrements as convenient as possible. Each container is sized to accommodate common baking items, such as a bag of brown sugar, flour, or chocolate chips. The set also comes with a terracotta disc to keep brown sugar soft as well as 2 half-cup scoops that fit into the underside of the lids, which means less rummaging around in drawers for your measuring cups when you're in the middle of a recipe. Finally, the airtight seal, that audibly clicks when engaged via the button on the lid, keeps your dry goods fresher for longer. Plus, the containers can be closed and sealed with one hand by pressing a button on top of the lid. Number 5. Kitchen Canisters with Airtight Bamboo Lid. If you have limited pantry storage and are looking for an attractive way to store items out in the open, the Laraz glass kitchen canisters have a luxe look and feel to them that can't be beaten. The set of 5 features crystal clear glass bases and chic bamboo lids that are lined with a silicone band to create a tight seal. The canisters have varied heights ranging from 4 inches to 11.8 inches to fit pasta, flour, and other pantry essentials, and they all measure 3.7 inches in diameter. The set is intended mostly for dry goods, but our testers reported that this set hardly leaked, even when shaken, meaning you could use them for liquids in a pinch. We also found that a quick run through the dishwasher eliminated all stains and odors from the inside of the glass canisters, so you can store fragrant foods inside without worry. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.